Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we will continue our discussion regarding the section of solid, where the section by a plane perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to, you can say it is parallel to the horizontal plane. So I have taken a question where the cylinder is given, of base diameter 50 mm given, axis 60 mm, is resting on its base on the HP given, and it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to vertical plane, and the vertical trace of which cuts the axis at the point 40 mm from the bottom base and inclined at 45 degree to the reference line. So this is the question given. Draw its front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section. So this is the question given for us, and we need to identify its front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section of a cylinder. You see the cylinder is there and which is resting on the HP. So this is the HP and this plane is vertical plane VP, and the cylinder is kept in such a way that it is the base is resting on its HP, and that true shape of the section, that means the sectional plane which cuts the cylinder with an height of, from here it will be is supposed to be a height of 40 mm and it should maintain an angle of 45 degree to that. So that we need to draw. So I'll go for the AutoCAD, and here I'll create a page for my diagram. I'll go for MV setup, enable paper space no, unit type metric, scale factor is 1, and this width and height is 420 by 297, so that I can get a drawing sheet on this. And here I'll select a line and I'll draw a reference line, and this line I can draw straight with the help of this snap on, so that ortho on F8 I can select. Okay, so I have drawn. Now we need to go for the cylinder diameters 50 mm given. So select the circle, and here it is 25, and now what I'll do, I'll just draw a line, and these things you need to draw a line here and select this line, go for array command, select the polar, select the center point and make it division of, automatically it will come 6 because it is inbuilt it is given 6 numbers, so I can make it to 12, and after that I just OK it, enter, select the line, and from each line draw the vertical projectile lines to the reference line. So I can copy that line here again, and from each of the line we need to actually, from this line will start from here. Okay, just I'll draw from here. Okay, and similarly all points need to be joined off to the reference line. Yeah, and now we know that the axis height is 60. I hope 60 it is. Yeah, so I'll just draw a line of 60, and here again it will be 50, then 60. I just will close it. Similarly I'll just and copy this line, CO, enter, select the base, just keep it all places. Okay, so this is about the cylindrical object, and it is front view and top view. This is only orthographic view, front view and top view of the cylinder. Okay, now we need to go for the sectional plane view. So select the line here, one line command, take a height of 40 mm and just draw a line here. So this is our reference line. Delete this line. This reference line or section line, or you can cutting line, this need to be cut the object with an angle of 45 degree. So I have rotate command I have typed, select this point and with an angle of 45 give it. So now you can see so how it is cutting the object through this. Okay, and we'll go for the line type, go for load, and we can select some iso dash dot. Okay, and select this one, just change its part, and we can change this color, and its thickness also can be changed. Line width setting, go for display line width. Okay, anyway we have completed. Meanwhile we need to give the text of this, so I'll go for the text, and here I just need to give the text of two items, one is base, one is top. So we'll go for here, we'll start from here A comma 1, and this is B comma 2, this is C comma 3, and this is D comma 4, and this is E comma 5, F comma 6, G comma 7, H comma 8, and I comma 9, then this is J comma 10, K comma 11, and this is L comma 12. Okay, these are the points are there. Similarly, here also we need to, I'll give here XY reference line, and here at the bottom we can give some points A, B, C, D. We need to mark that it will become under dash. So what I'll do here, here it will become A dash, and it will be G dash. Then similarly, this will come B dash comma L dash, and this is C dash comma K dash. The text is important little bit, so we need to give carefully. And this is also here our F dash comma H dash, and similarly it is E dash comma E comma I dash, and similarly here it is D dash comma J dash. Okay, similarly in the top also we need to give like 1 dash. Here I can give 1 dash, and here it is which one, 7 dash, and in middle 2 dash, 3 dash. These are the points need to be given actually. And this cutting plane, what it this cutting plane view, that also need to be given with different names. So it is given PQRS, some names are given here. Okay, so I'll tell you just how to complete this one and how to identify this, and then okay, let first do it. So here what we'll do, I'll just select the line. Okay, these are the, let's complete it. I'll select the line, and from each of the point I'll just draw I'll complete up to here, and similarly each point we just need to join up to the next line here. This is first one, this is on this. Okay, this is already covered up to here, and similarly this is also covering up to here. So it is very simple actually. If you see, so all points are covered. Okay, and this is the final one, this is the final line here. Up to here it should be covered actually. Remaining points are as usual, what is there will be get that one, you see. So this is the final point actually. Up to this our hatching should be there, that top sectional view. Only few things need to be neglected here, remaining things will be covered automatically. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'll just go for trim. Then this also not required for us again. Okay, because it will be covered up to here, means it is this part is not required. So right now what I'll do, I'll just select this. Okay, one more line I draw. No, one more line I need to draw from here to here. Okay, and select this line, and just give it some, change its color and thickness, and now give the hatching for all these parts. Select this ANSYS 31, and everywhere you can just give this hatching part. And that hatching part also, once you select this hatching, and we can, if you want to highlight it, then we can also highlight here by changing its color and by changing its thickness. Okay, now actually this part should not be highlighted. So for that what we can do, two methods are there. You can just go for trim, and we can trim this section, and see this also need to be trimmed. This part also need to be trimmed here. This is not required. Okay, so this is the part we can see, but though it is trimmed and the section view is this one, but our original circle will be there, So what we'll do, I'll just draw another circle. We'll keep it like this, because this is not highlighted because it was not sectional view, and this is highlighted when hatching part was given, and that is our sectional view part. Okay, so this is about this. And next, these things need to be done in the true step view. So for that, what we'll do, just I'll select this line, okay, and I'll go for offset and throw, and I'll take a height of this some 60 mm height. I'll take it. Okay, actually this is not the sectional view, the sectional line, you can say. This is the line what I have taken for my reference, and that is equal to the A and G point. Okay, so I can give the text also here. This is text here. A1 I can give. Okay, some name, different name will give here, A1 and G1. Okay, and here already I told you to give the names. This is a point indication, like 2 dash comma 12. I have 12 dash. Yeah, similarly here it is. Okay, you'll give upper one and bottom one. This is 3 dash, and here I'll give 11 dash. Similarly here it is 4 dash suppose, and here I'll give 10 dash. So like that I can mark the points. 5 dash bottom here, 5 and 9, I hope 9. Similarly this one 6 dash, and here I'll give 8 dash. Like that we can mark some points here. Okay, so next what I'll do, I'll draw the vertical lines from each of the point. Okay, I'll go for a height of suppose 80 and tap 135 angle. Now see, I can draw this like this, and this one I can, okay, this border I'll little bit I'll extend here. Okay, so that it will be looks beautiful, and this one I just can extend little bit higher, and the same I can just keep it like this. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll just copy this one, CO, enter, through the base point. I'll just keep all these points, I'll keep it, and the top one here. Okay, so I have completed mostly. Now the next target is for us what, see, I'll need to give some points. So I'll select the point, one enter point, another one point, enter here. Now this point after entering also it is not visible, so we'll go for P type, because P type is a point style type, and select this one, and now you got it. Okay, so what we'll do, the next one, we'll just take the height from all these points. Okay, see, this is the first starting point, A point is there, so now the B point height is there. So sorry, okay, these are the lines actually we need to draw, otherwise we'll take the circle in the directly. Actually line will be there, it will be easy for us. So line is there, now we can just join it. Okay, let's join it, all these things. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just draw a circle, and I'll just connect up to here, and this circle I'll just move its point, and I'll keep it here in the center, in this point. So again I'll go for point and select this, and select this point. Second point completed. Come to the third one. This is the third one. Extend its line here, and go move it center position. Go for the point this again here. Now select this circle again, move back to here, next point, and this is total diameter will be there. I can just move it to the next point. See, this is the center point, center line. So again we'll just give for point PO, enter, again PO, enter. Now again come back this one, and select this circle, just move it center, and the next point is here, and reduce it, save. Now see this point, so move it center again, and keep it the next one. So again we'll got here PO, again type PO, enter, and this is the point, this is the point. Similarly the last one we can go for, okay, now this is last one. Actually if you see, that is EO enter. This point, no, actually not this point, we'll measure that one otherwise. Okay, come take the circle and keep it here and measure the distance from here to here. So I have measured. Now I'll move this center point from here to there. Now go for point, select this point, select this point. Now the circle not required, delete it. Now all these points we got it. What I'll go for next one, I'll go for this spline fit curve and I'll just join all this. Okay, I'll just join. Okay, up to here will join. After that line will be there. So again L enter and just join this line. Completed. So mostly you have completed. Select this line, select this arc and select this arc, change its color and change its thickness and go for the hatching. Now see, all this hatching we can just only this one, Ctrl Z. Okay, this was actually joined here. This one little bit need to be taken height so that it should not become this side actually. Anyway, so I'll move little bit, select all these things, along with the select this also. Now I'll go for move and I'll just take little bit height, like this will keep it. Okay, now I'll go for hatching and just keep it here. Okay, now every hatching is completed. Now see, okay, these are actually here connected, that's why it is selecting. So what I'll do, I'll just select and this angle I need to change it 45. Yeah, and this also separately given, so 45. So now see, is okay. And now what I'll do, I'll go for home, I'll select this color, I'll change its thickness. Yeah, completed. These things actually is supposed to be taken back. I'll take it back here, and this one point also, and this first point is also attached, this one, and this also will take it back. Now this point we can keep it here. Now extra point we can just trim it. Okay, and this also need to be kept here, and A1 actually supposed to be kept here. So this is all about the, you can see the true section. One more hatching is pending here, this one and this one. So this also can be given at angle of 45, and we can change its also color and its color and thickness. So carefully you need to give all these things. Anyway, so this is all about the sectional view, and this is the true shape. So just write a here it is true shape. Okay, and this is the sectional top view, this is the front view, and this is top view, and this is sectional top view. And meanwhile one more things also, this also need to be highlighted. So what I'll do, I'll select this line and thickness, I'll go for the line, I select from here and select up to here. Yeah, enter. So this also need to be highlighted as a front view. So this is all about the sectional of solids when it is the question is given like this. I hope you understood how to draw it. See the same thing, and dimensions also, one more thing, dimension is you forgot to give. So dimension, keep it, yeah, select this point and this point also from here to here 40, and next angle we need to give angular value, this angle, and with the reference line we can say 45 degree, and one more is there, a diameter, select this circle, keep it here. So everything completed. I hope you understood how to draw it. If you are having any kind of query, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.